How to build a membership site in Zenler. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. Zenler makes membership creation incredibly easy. Whether you're building content membership, a coaching community, or a full hybrid model, this step-by-step guide shows you exactly how to set up and structure your membership. Add content, organize community spaces, set pricing, automate access, and publish your membership to the world. By the end, membership will be fully built and ready for members. So let's get started with this. So I'm going to run through this step by step for you guys. So step 1, create a new membership from your Zenler dashboard. So all you need to do is go into your site, choose or create a course, or take those courses, drop them into a membership, okay, or into a bundle which we'll use as a membership. Now, depending on what type of membership you choose, depends on the way that you would set it up. But in essence, let's just stay really simple here and just choose a course and use the course for a membership. So step 2, we can add a community to this as well. So by adding a community to it, you then created this community tied to a course, which is a membership. So I'm not going to use the word course product anymore. I'm going to use the word membership. Right, so this then membership becomes the place where you can send people to community, you can drop in and use the curriculum to add lesson types in there, and set up lives. So you can be setting up your lives and dropping them in there. So for step 3, we're going to then look at the structure of it, because you've got your course, which is your membership, you've got your community, and you've got your lessons inside. So now you need to just look at the structure and go in and just make sure that everything's aligned with what you want to teach. Now at this point, which is the next step, we want to be making sure that we've got the right pricing structure. And this is really easy in Zenler because you can choose a subscription-based pricing, or you can use a tiered-based pricing to give people entry to certain parts of the membership or course, right? So this is a really good step going forwards for this. So we're going to follow on from that. We're going to go into step 4 now. And step 4 is just making sure that everything works. So once you've got your pricing, once you've got your course and your community, once you've put all your lives in there, you're then going to need to test it. You're going to test yourself. So you're going to go in there, you're going to buy it. You can refund yourself the money back, or you can create a 100% coupon. You need to go in and test that it's all working. So you can log in, so you can see all the information. You might have to make changes to that course access page. So once you've got all that done and you've checked and you've tested, then you can launch. Publish the course, invite people to that sales page, and get those members coming in. Super simple. So there are other types of memberships you can create, of course, inside Zenler. So instead of using a product, which we're calling a course, you could use a series of products and you could put them into a bundle. And you could have a bundled membership. This is more kind of hybrid. So then you can, from the access page, you can send people to different lessons in the courses. You can send them to different communities that are tied to each of the courses as well. And if you lock the site down completely, which you can do, you could even have members come in and put links in there to pages that are only for logged in users. So we have a lot of different versions that you can create memberships inside the Zenler platform, and we'll drop a link in there so you can see membership types. We've got an article of that, different types that you can build inside Zenler. But Zenler makes it, and this is one thing to clear up here, membership is very easy to set up, and it doesn't need the label membership. It can be done using products, using bundles, using the communities that are built in, the lives. You could even send people to a only logged in user can view blogs, for instance, or logged in pages. So it's absolutely so flexible. We don't lock you into 1 or 2 types of membership. We say your whole site is a membership, right? You can open it up and allow people access to some or parts. It's really up to you. So, with that being said, definitely check out the link in the description where we've got an article on the different memberships and how you can set them all up inside Zenler, and lots of articles on memberships in general. So you can find all the links below. Plus we've given you a link to all the different membership types you can build inside Zenler as well. So check out the blog article because it says it all, right? Happy membership creating.